Plaid Patrol, we need your help. We're on our way.
Plaid Patrol, oh yeah, enforcing the rules and making school more cool.
Pride, leadership,
Attitude,
integrity,
determination.
Plaid Patrol, oh yeah, enforcing the rules and making school more cool.
So, what do you think number 1 is?
I think it's C.
Okay, cool.
Oh, boss, I think it's a pull. Plaid Patrol, what are you doing here? My students always follow the rules.
We received a call about a cheater. You two! Come to our secret office. Do you know why we're here?
Yeah, you said inside that you got a call about cheating.
Oh, right.
But I don't know why you brought us here. We didn't do anything wrong.
Well. We'll see about that.
Do you know what this word is?
Yeah, it's integrity.
Just what I thought. You don't. Let me tell you.
Look, bro, I already told you that I didn't cheat, so can I just go back inside now?
Actually, bro, I'm part of the Plaid Patrol, so technically it's Officer Bro to you.
All right, punk.
Yeah, punk!
We know what you did.
Yeah!
Wait. What'd she do again?
I don't know. Let's ask her.
I swear we didn't cheat.
Cheating!
Oh,
Cheating!
you're so gonna get it!
Yeah. What's he gonna get?
Integrity is doing the right thing even when nobody is looking. Well, from where I'm standing,
Okay, I get it.
you get what?
Look, Officer Bro, I know that cheating on the test wasn't the right thing to do, but you don't understand. I have to pass this class or else my mom would kill me.
So you did cheat.
Yes.
Okay, now stand up. Not you, her.
Why? Just do it, punk!
Hey, stop! What are you guys doing? I already got a confession.
Oh, sorry, boss.
Okay, kids, here's the deal. Having good grades is not more important than being a good person. Having integrity and upholding your morals shapes who you are.
Okay, but does it really matter if we cheated on one little test?
Yeah, and we barely cheated. It's not like we killed anybody.
You killed somebody too?
Look, kids, I remember there was a better time when kids only had to worry about grades and homework. But if you keep going down this path that you're going down, you're gonna end up like my cousin Eddie. Nobody wants to end up like him.
I think what he's trying to say
No,
is...
I get it. We should be trying to do the right thing all the time. I don't want to end up like those guys on the news, or his cousin Eddie. I'm sorry.
I'm not the one you should be apologizing to.
Miss Jarvis, we cheated on the test.
We're sorry, and we're gonna retake it and do it right this time.
Thank you, Plaid Patrol. You saved the day once again.
No problem, ma'am. All part of the job. All right, Plaid Patrol, roll out.
Okay. I don't know.
I'm rolling